Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 8 power 9 plus 8 power 9 plus 8 power 9 plus 8 power 9 by 4 power 9 plus 4 power 9 is equals to what? Without using calculator. So let's start with the today's video solution. So from numerator, if I take 8 power 9 as common, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by similarly 4 power 9 is common, so 1 plus 1. So 8 power 9 times 4 by 4 power 9 times 2. So we can cancel out this, so it becomes 2. 8 we can write it as 2 cube whole power 9 times 2 by 4 as 2 square whole power 9. Now, according to exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power m. So here it becomes 2 power 3 times 9 is 27 times 2 power 1 by 2 power 2 times 9 is 18. Now, another exponent rule, x power m times x power n, we can write it as x power m plus n. So 2 power 27 plus 1 by 2 power 18. So it becomes 2 power 28 by 2 power 18. Another exponent rule of question, that is x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So it becomes 2 power 28 minus 18, which is equals to 2 power 10, and the value of 2 power 10 is 1024. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.